Discover the magic of Italy. 35 can't-miss activities for an unforgettable trip. Italy is a beautiful and diverse country that offers an abundance of activities and experiences for travelers. Here are some of the top things to do when visiting Italy. Visit the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is a famous landmark that attracts visitors from around the world. Explore the ancient ruins of Rome. The Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Palatine Hill are just a few of the many fascinating historical sites in Rome. Visit the ancient city of Matera. Matera is an ancient city that is carved into the rock, with fascinating history and stunning views. Take a gondola ride in Venice. Venice is known for its canals, and a gondola ride is a quintessential Venetian experience. Visit the fashion capital of Milan. Milan is known for its fashion, art, and architecture, and is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in design. Take a boat tour of the Cinque Terre. The Cinque Terre is a beautiful stretch of coastline that is best explored by boat, with stunning views of the colorful cliffside villages. Visit the beautiful island of Capri. Capri is a beautiful island off the coast of Naples, with crystal clear waters, charming towns, and stunning views. Marvel at the art in Florence. Florence is known for its stunning art, including works by Michelangelo and Botticelli. Visit the Vatican City. The Vatican City is the smallest country in the world and is home to some of the most famous art and architecture in the world. Visit the Pompeii ruins. Pompeii is an ancient city that was destroyed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, and visiting the ruins is a fascinating experience. Explore the Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a picturesque stretch of coastline known for its stunning views, charming towns, and delicious seafood. Sample the wine in Tuscany. Tuscany is one of Italy's most famous wine regions, and taking a wine tour is a great way to experience the local culture. Hike in the Dolomites. The Dolomites are a beautiful mountain range that offers some of the best hiking in Europe. Explore the food markets in Bologna. Bologna is known for its delicious cuisine, and the local food markets are a great place to sample the local specialties. Visit the beaches in Sardinia. Sardinia is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Italy, with crystal clear waters and stunning scenery. Take a cooking class. Italian cuisine is famous around the world, and taking a cooking class is a great way to learn how to make traditional Italian dishes. Attend an opera or classical music performance. Italy has a rich musical heritage, and attending a performance in a beautiful theater is a must-do while in the country. Visit the beautiful lakes. Italy is home to many stunning lakes, including Lake Como, Lake Garda, and Lake Maggiore, which offer breathtaking views and outdoor activities. Ski in the Italian Alps. The Italian Alps offer some of the best skiing in Europe, with beautiful scenery and challenging runs. Explore the beautiful cities of Sicily. Sicily is home to many beautiful cities, including Palermo, Catania, and Taormina, each with their own unique culture and history. Attend a festival or celebration. Italy is home to many festivals and celebrations throughout the year, including Carnevale in Venice and the Palio di Siena in Tuscany. Take a bike tour. Italy has many beautiful cycling routes, including the famous Via Francigena, and taking a bike tour is a great way to explore the countryside. Learn to make pizza. Pizza is one of Italy's most famous exports, and learning how to make it from scratch is a fun and delicious experience. Visit the historic city of Naples. Naples is a bustling city that is known for its rich history, delicious food, and stunning views of Mount Vesuvius. Go on a wine and cheese tour. Italy is home to many delicious cheeses, and pairing them with local wines is a great way to experience the local culture. Go truffle hunting. Italy is known for its delicious truffles, and going on a truffle hunting tour is a unique and unforgettable experience. Take a hot air balloon ride. Italy's beautiful countryside is best seen from above, and a hot air balloon ride is a romantic and unforgettable experience. Take a Vespa tour. Vespas are a quintessential Italian mode of transportation, and taking a Vespa tour is a fun and adventurous way to explore the countryside. Visit the charming town of San Gimignano. San Gimignano is a beautiful medieval town in Tuscany, known for its stunning towers and delicious gelato. Go on a hiking tour of the Cinque Terre. The Cinque Terre is also a great place for hiking, with beautiful trails and stunning views of the coastline. Don't forget to visit off-the-beaten-path destinations. While popular tourist spots like Rome and Venice are must-sees, don't be afraid to explore lesser-known areas to experience authentic Italy. Don't assume all Italian food is the same. Each region of Italy has its own unique cuisine, so don't be afraid to try new dishes and flavors. Enjoy aperitivo. Aperitivo is a pre-dinner drink and snack that's popular in Italy and is a great way to experience local culture. Visit local markets. Local markets are a great way to experience Italian culture and cuisine. Visit local museums and galleries. Italy is home to many famous museums and galleries, but also has many lesser-known gems to discover. Enjoy the local music. Italy has a rich musical heritage, and experiencing local music is a must-do while in the country. Take the time to appreciate the architecture. Italy is home to some of the most beautiful buildings and structures in the world, so take the time to appreciate the architecture. These are just a few of the many things to do in Italy. With its rich history, delicious cuisine, and stunning natural beauty, Italy has something for every traveler to enjoy.